Gym owners, what's going on? Here's 1-minute tips for digital marketing. I'm a professional digital marketer, and I'm gonna give you a tip on Facebook ads and how to get more people into your gym through Facebook ads. Facebook ads are dirt cheap right now, and the reach is insane. So all you have to do is focus on that number of local residents in your area, so you can target down to a city, target down to 100,000 people that you want to start pushing offers to through Facebook ads. It may take 1 or 2 ads, but you need to switch over the creative. And what I mean by creative is the actual visual inside the feed that the person that you want to sell and sign up to your gym is going to see in the feed. Make that great, make great content, make great visual content ads, and you're gonna do awesome when it comes to Facebook ads. It may take you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ads, but once you get to that point and you see what works, it's gonna pay off tremendously. You just gotta get to that point first. So that's one thing you could do, and you can get thousands of people to see your ad through Facebook ads right now, and it's dirt cheap, and you can target down. Take that tip, guys, try it out, tell me how it does, subscribe, like, take care. Let's get back to work.